Welcome to the top 9 things to know about blockchain in 2019. I'm your host, Antonio Manueco. We're kicking off 2019 the right way with 9 things to know about blockchain. Let's get started. Thing number 1, Bitcoin is not blockchain. It's hard to believe that even in today's age, we're still having this conversation. Though Bitcoin was the first system to prove the feasibility of blockchains, it is not the only one. Since Satoshi's paper in 2010, many other protocols have sprung up. Most of these chains relied on existing protocols, but the others are their very own blockchains. Thing number 2, there is no such thing as the blockchain. There are many different blockchains. Why, you ask? That's a great question. This is because different blockchains are trying to solve different problems. It's no different than project management tools or car manufacturers. Everyone is striving to solve a specific problem, and those solving the same problem believe that their solution is better. It's human nature and the driver behind entrepreneurs. Let's embrace it. Thing number 3, crypto market volatility does not make blockchains unstable. It's not uncommon to hear that blockchains are not sound because the market is down. Whether you believe in the crypto market or not, that's up to you. Let's leave blockchains out of it. Thing number 4, blockchains are not a new storage mechanism. It's true that blockchains use ledgers and state machines to persist data, but that's nothing new. Depending on the source, distributed ledgers have existed for decades or thousands of years. One of the components of blockchains is storage, or persistent state. Thing number 5, blockchains will not solve every problem. It's easy to believe that every new technology has the potential to solve all the world's problems. We can only dream, right? The reality is that we cannot discount the true potential just because of hype. Looking beyond the hype, blockchain is promising, and only time will allow us to figure out where and how it fits moving forward. Thing number 6, blockchains are not inherently more secure or trustworthy. Things like immutability and encrypted sound great, but that's nothing new. When we discuss blockchains, we treat them the same as every other technology. We need to secure the networks, the intercommunication between nodes or servers, the application layer, the API servers, the actual code, whether you call it smart contracts or chain code, or just good old source code, still needs to be secure. Not only that, but when information gets appended, it may not be easily removable. How would you handle those situations? Don't be tricked into believing they are inherently more secure. There are many layers to working with blockchains. Treat them as any other technology stack. Thing number 7, not all data needs to be in a blockchain. Does all data today reside in the same place? Of course not. We have hundreds of storage mechanisms ranging from services to databases to in-memory stores. The list is very long. Let's not treat blockchains differently. Information is stored where it makes the most sense, not anywhere else. If it makes sense for some data to be stored publicly or privately across different chains, so be it. Thing number 8, corporations will not migrate what they have to a blockchain. It's not going to happen. Nope, not happening. Why would we want to move all data to a chain? Technology needs to solve problems, not create new ones. Corporations and businesses need to focus on the problems and find the right tool or tools to solve the job. The pure standpoint of move all or die does not sit well. Let's focus on moving forward and being pragmatic. Thing number 9, take proprietary protocols tooling with a grain of salt. The first question I ask is, why is it proprietary? Could your team be that much better than the open source community? Open source software rules the world. The greatest advancements in software come at the expense of countless donated hours by the open source community. Communities that rally behind authors and teams to build something better together. It's incredibly difficult for a business to compete with this, no matter the size or valuation of the company. There you have it. 9 things to keep in mind in 2019 when we talk about blockchain. Subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below at the bottom of this video. Thank you.